Hi, my name is Ginger Ocampo. Good afternoon, good morning, good night. And here I will discuss the first order linear differential equation presented by yours truly. So, by definition, a first order differential equation is defined by an equation dy over dx equals f, quantity of xy of two variables x and y with this function of fxy defined on a region in the xy plane. So, para maintindihan, here's an example. Y dx plus x minus xy plus 2 dy equals 0. So kasi, ang ginagawa dito, may formula. I'll just put it here. The general form talaga is dy over dx plus y px equals qx. Mapansin nyo dito, iba to eh. X ang prominent. Diba? Kasi pag dinivide mo, pag try mo kunin ang dy, pwede mo nang kunin yung dy, pero mas madali kasi outside na, mas less ang dx kasi y dx lang siya. So by dividing y dy, makacancel mo na yung tabi niyang variable na y and makukuha mo na yung dx over dy. So mas dependent na ngayon ang variable x kasi dx over dy siya. So sharing the denominator kasi makacancel ang dy sa loob, ang mangyayari is dx over dy plus x over y minus xy over y plus 2y equals 0. So, since kailangan natin i-isolate ang mga y kasi dependent tayo sa x, ilipat natin yung 2 over y sa right side. So, ang nangyayari is naging negative 2y siya. So since kailangan natin i-isolate naman, i-simplify further para maging xp, sa formula kasi nakalagay is dx over dy plus xpy equals qy. So kailangan natin i-isolate yung x to get the y, the p. So ang ginawa is nilabas yung x kasi pag binalik mo, shinare mo ulit ang x sa loob. X times 1 over y is x over y and x times negative 1 is negative x. So same pa rin siya. In-isolate lang natin to further clean out our equation. So meron tayong q. Ang q kasi yung negative 2y na mali lang, error, minor error sa type. So may dx over dy na tayo. Meron na tayong dx over dy din yan. Mali lang yung type. Dx over dy, may xp, may qy. So, pwede natin i-solve. So, ang general solution dyan is x e raised to integral of py dy. So, i-share mo yung e. So, hindi mo na ipagkasama yung ln y tsaka negative y. So, lalagay mo yung answer dito as e ln y plus e raised to negative y. So, cancel out ang ln and e. Ang matitira is y e raised to negative y. Yan ang other part ng problem. So, plugging it back sa general solution natin, we have x, y, e raised to negative y. So, for the other half of the general solution, integral of y, e raised to negative y, a quantity of negative 2y dy. Dahil q, that's a q. We're just plugging it back. And let u be negative y and du equals negative 1 dy. Divide both sides by negative 1, you'll get negative du. And plugging it back to our original equation, we will have xy e raised to negative y equals negative 2 integral of e raised to y negative du. And divide both sides by xe raised to negative y para ma-isolate yung y mag-isa, leaving you with y equals 2 over x plus c over xe raised to negative y. Pwede na to, good as go na to ang solution na to, ang final answer. Pero para mas malinis, mas maganda, you'll raise the e raised to negative y para maging positive y naman siya. So e raised to y. So ang final answer is y equals 2 over x plus c e raised to y over x. I hope you learned something new and naintindihan nyo. Thank you.